Hi, Andy Hudman. This is a video for Nancy.
Power washing.
We're gonna learn about power
We're
washing.
learning how to use the power washer here. The first thing is the most crucial in this event. No matter what time of day it is, you must have at least 2 Grey Goose
On the
before
rocks.
You start and
My kind of work. Okay.
and some goggles to keep the stuff out of your face. Okay.
Perfect.
If you get wild with it, you know. And after 2 Grey Goose, who knows? Anyway, what you do, you take this off, which is the wand.
And what?
2 Grey Gooses.
Take the wand.
And then what you do is you take the rotating.
Where was
sprayer
that?
head.
Where was that
It's in the
living?
very front here. All the spray nozzles right here.
Okay.
But this is the one you use. This is a spraying wand nozzle. And you pull the thing back right here. Slide this in. And
Do
it
that
locks.
again. Quit moving so fast.
So you pull this out. It comes out.
Slow.
It won't go in until you pull this back first and then that. So let's show this one more time.
You're really terrible for the
See
camera.
how that?
Yes.
You put that in. It locks.
Perfect.
It's locked
Perfect.
in.
Thank you.
That's it. And then you can just put this back in the little holder for time being.
Okay.
And if you want to, you can leave the nozzle on it. You don't have to take it off every time. But pull this out because this comes over. You got to show because this is tricky. The way this hangs here, this thing comes undone, unloops, hose comes out.
Perfect.
And then this right here,
The open end of the
you
hose.
pull the cap off of this. This just protects the portal so no dirt daubers can build the thing. But this has got an O-ring. This goes up in here like so. And you just tighten it on.
Easy.
Good and snug. And that's ready. So all you gotta do is put that back in. That
Okay.
portion's ready.
Cool.
All you gotta do is take this right here, which is your electrical line. This is your reset button. For some reason, after you plug it up, if the unit does not come on after you turn the switch on, just hit your reset button.
The top one.
Top one.
Okay.
And that automatically.
So why do you push that if it doesn't come on when you plug it in?
That means it's thrown the breaker in it.
Okay.
For safety reasons.
Okay.
In the very front here, this is where the garden hose screws.
So put the garden hose in there.
Just
Turn
take
on
that
the
right here.
water.
Just take this here, make sure these threads are clean so nothing's on them. You just put it right here. You tighten this up.
It's very technical.
Yeah, well, it is kind of technical, but
Yeah, there's a lot to it.
All right, after that's on, you turn your water on first
Okay.
to get water into the system.
Perfect.
Take your wand in your hand, and after your power is plugged up and turned on, you turn this on.
So
will
you
hear
push the black button.
to start it.
Okay.
And you will hear it automatically start up, and then pull the trigger here, which will automatically start spraying.
Okay.
And then, when you're ready to cut it off, just cut it off.
So red button off, black button on.
Before you disconnect anything, cut your water off at the wall
And drain it.
thing, cut your power button back on, pull the trigger, let it drain it out,
Perfect.
get the pressure off of it,
Okay.
and then you can cut it back off, and then you disassemble it.
then you can take the hose off.
And the thing is, the reason you want to make sure all the water is out of it is because in the winter time, you don't want it to freeze and break the system.
That's right.
No, I don't. Okay,
Okay, is that all we need to know?
that's it.
And once you take this off, like I say,
I'm not going to take that off. I'm going to leave that on.
well, I know, but this right here you'll take off.
Yeah.
When you take this off here, put that little cap back on again. It just dropped here.
That you threw on the
Back
ground.
on again.
Cap back on.
Put it back in the little holster here.
Okay.
And then you wrap all your hose back up.
Perfect.
And you have to remember, this is weird how it comes up. You pull the thing through and then back up. You want to get a little closer so when you got this wrapped up, you pull it through, put your hand through the hole, grab this, pull it up, and it slides right up through here. And the Velcro side that you see here is what's going to go.
Okay, that's pretty
Down
basic. Yeah, I think we got it.
Got it.
Then it's ready to roll and put up.
This has been Handy Andy with power washing tips.
Oh my God, was just on a show called Handy Andy.